Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Application Writing. In today's video, we will learn how to write an application for school leaving certificate in a simple and correct format. This type of application is very important for students, especially when you want to change your school or take admission elsewhere. Please remember these key points. Use formal language. Mention your class and details. Clearly state the reason. Keep it short and to the point. Write neatly and clearly. Do not make spelling mistakes. Keep the application within 100 to 120 words. And last but not the least, use proper format. So, today's topic is application for school leaving certificate, full marks format, easy and correct. And today's question is, write an application to the headmaster or headmistress of your school requesting the issuance of your school leaving certificate. Now, let's look at the model application. But before that, I would like to ask you a question. Why do we need a school leaving certificate? Please tell me in the comments. Let's get started. To the headmaster, or headmistress, write the name of your school here, name of the school, and please write the address of the school here. Subject, you may write sub, S-U-B. Prayer for issuance of school leaving certificate. You may also write here request for issuance of school leaving certificate, or you may also write here application for issuance of school leaving certificate. Respected sir, or madam, I respectfully beg to state that I am a student of class Write your class year. In your esteemed or prestigious, you may also write here, or prestigious institution. Institution. I have successfully completed my studies in this school and now require my school leaving certificate. For further admission to another institution. Therefore, I kindly request you to issue my school leaving certificate at the earliest. At the earliest. I have cleared all my pending dues pending dues with the school. I have also attached a copy of my no dues node use, clearance, form for your reference. Thanking you. Yours obediently. Yours obediently. Your full signature here. Your class, section and roll number, and date and place here. Date and place. I hope this video helps you write a perfect application. If you found this useful, please like it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel Application Writing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.